Oh,
That, are we live?
we are live.
That one goofy guy who's like, yeah, shit. He's never met Norm.
Where? John, you wanted to go four-wheeling.
Yeah.
on mud.
You're boating.
I'm sinking. Well, hell, if I gotta go.
No, it's not going any further. Here comes a tractor. I can hear it.
One more. Happy Norm Star Party.
He backed it into a hole is what he did.
It just don't get no better than this.
Oh, shit.
Now, I tried the damn...
Oops, I can't. Here comes the rescue vehicle. Here comes the rescue vehicle. I better get up on this ledge. Hang on.